Alright guys, let me explain how do you earn money as an affiliate marketer. So you want to know how you can earn money with your affiliate marketing business. You can earn money with your affiliate marketing business by promoting their products and services. You can also create your own product. If you have your own website, you can promote it there. Or you want to use your social media account, you can do that on your Facebook, you can do it on your Instagram, you can do it on your Twitter account, you can do it in TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and other social platforms that you use. So all you have to do is go ahead and join their affiliate program. They give you your affiliate links, so you are going to be promoting their products and services. So you go ahead to your website or your social media account, so you go ahead and promote all these products there. So when someone click on your link and go from there to their site and buy with your affiliate links, then you are going to earn commission for that. Another way you can earn money is through your website. If you build a profitable website, you can monetize it with AdSense and earn money. You can also monetize it with banners from your sponsors. You can also earn money from the sponsors. So if you're having huge traffic to your website, then they may want to show their banners on your website. They want to show up their product on your website, then you are going to be earning money for that. Another way you can earn money is to create your own product. So when you create your own product, then you promote it on your website, you promote it on your TikTok, you promote it on your Instagram, you promote it on your Facebook, you promote it on Twitter and the rest social media account that you use. So everything that you sell, you are going to earn. If someone buy your product or services, then you are going to earn money for that. So guys, there are so many ways you can earn money with affiliate marketing. You just have to figure out how to do it properly and earn more money with your affiliate marketing business. So I just make this small video for you guys. So if you guys want to know how to do affiliate marketing, or you want to get started but you don't know the best platform that you can help you get started, so you may want to check the link down below. One of the best platforms that I would recommend for you is the Weti affiliate platform. So if you want to check the platform out, it is free to get started. And this platform is going to teach you step by step how to get started with online business. This platform is going to teach you how to build a profitable online business. You are going to learn everything about online business, affiliate marketing. You are going to learn everything about online business, including affiliate marketing, and how you can grow your online business very quick. So I would recommend the Weti affiliate platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this is for you. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. So that is it on this video, guys. If you guys have any question or you have anything to say about this video, let me know in the description down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.